Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, took the kayak out this morning, probably about 9:30, 10 o'clock, and I spent most of the day out there. It just got too hot, so I figured I'd call it a day, pack it up, bring it home. Plus, I'm starving, need food. So, kind of a spoiler alert, I guess. There's really no fish being caught in this video because I didn't catch a damn thing. But anyways, check it out. Hit the like button, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, I guess. But enjoy it. Later. So it got a little hot out there for me. I figured I'd come up here and leave a bridge here. Nice and cool. Figured I'd try my luck here. Who knows? Got me some mud minnows, some dead shrimp. So hopefully. So I had to tie it off underneath the bridge here. We're gonna see how it goes. Still got him. Oh my God. There. Right through the snout. Ah. I've only been out here an hour and a half. I already got too hot. So I'll come up underneath the bridge here. Cool off a bit. And now we wait. I don't know if he's a little mud minnow. I don't know if he's like running from something or hit or what, or something's bumping it. It's probably a little mud minnow. What the hell's going on, man? You can't move. Oh well. While I wait. While I wait, I gotta find a bottle opener. Be back. I got a bottle opener on my multi-tool. I didn't even know I had. Woohoo! Come here. Oh yeah. Boom. Keep your trash with you. Don't throw it in the water. That's stupid. Keep it with you. Cheers. Oh yeah. Alright. Well, that was my day. I didn't catch anything, but I still had a good time. You know, I still enjoyed the view, the peace and quiet, cold beer. Whenever I go out, I don't expect to catch stuff all the time. Today was proof of that. Had a couple fails, but whatever. It was funny. I mean, even when I was editing this video, I was laughing my ass off at it. But thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit the little bell thing, because next weekend I'm going out to Nassau Sound here in Jacksonville, Florida, and see what I can do there. All right.